What happens if the corporate insurance it's a different company from your personal one? Maybe this one you can share a bit more with our viewers, how actually it can be an advantage and a disadvantage for you.
If let's just say my company insurance is but then my personal insurance is so normally, right, what we'll say is that if these kind of things happen, right, the answer is yes and no, which means yes is that you can claim later on. No is that if you use both to come in together, right, it doesn't work that way because A and G is not AA. So they'll actually check your condition. If your condition they know is like roughly like it's going to be a higher amount claim, right, they actually ask you, your company maybe it's up to a certain tier, maybe like 40, 60,000, but it's definitely going to be not enough. Do you have another one? So if you have another one which is your personal one, maybe it's a G insurance, it's a higher limit, they ask you just go for it. But sometimes there's this thing the people will ask the question is that I have a deductible or they call it a co-insurance. So many times, right, a lot of people they will just say I have a company's insurance which is a zero deductible or like maybe just a trend deductible. But whereby my personal insurance one I get for a high deductible because why I'm still leveraging on my company one.
Yeah.
So if this kind of thing happens, right, the hospital asks you to use the personal one, no choice, you got to use the personal one. But if your personal one has a high deductible, right, you need to pay the 20,000 or some is like 10,000 deductible to pay it first. But at least when you pay already, right, the bill, the discharge summary and also your receipts all issued, you claim back from the company one.
So more like a pay and claim concept lah.
Terbalik also, if like you use the company's one first, but then there's like a high deductible, you can still back up from the personal one.